May I mention lots?
Yes, Mr. Bora.
Big to mention item number 4 of today's list.
Yes.
Let the matter be adjourned for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Listed out immediately after.
Ms. R. Bora, the counsel for the petitioners, has made a prayer for adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the respondents to make their prayer. And the mentioned memo to that effect has already been circulated yesterday. In view of the above, the prayer is accepted. Place the case on friends.
3007. 3007. 8, please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I am praying for posting of an urgent writ petition for tomorrow, my Lord, if it is not inconvenience for my Lord, pertaining to my eviction of this petitioner. We had put to challenge an order under Section 9 of my Lord Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Act. So, my Lord, the Honorable District Judge has rejected our appeal and has given us an ultimatum of just 15 days to vacate. Now, my Lord, this 15 days timeline will end on this Thursday, my Lord.
Read petition.
My Lord.
Read petition.
Yes, my Lord, under 226 we have filed, my Lord. For violation of natural justice, my Lord.
Nandini J. Shah,
Yes, my Lord.
3-judge bench decision
My Lord.
of the Supreme Court,
My Lord.
wherein it is specifically held
My Lord.
that against an order
Of
passed under Section 9
my Lord.
of the Public Premises Act,
My Lord. My Lord.
that order is passed by a persona designator
My Lord. Correct.
and it is a judicial authority.
My Lord.
So Section 9 is a judicial order
My Lord.
and by no way it can be challenged under 226 of the Constitution of India.
My Lord.
So your urgent writ petition is liable to be dismissed tomorrow. Limini.
My Lord.
Only a petition under Article 227 is maintainable.
7 under.
Nandini J. Shah.
My Lord.
And that has been affirmed, subsequently referred to by many other decisions. So no 226.
Yes, my Lord. Then I'll take care of it, my Lord.
So no mention.
No, my Lord. I'm obliged, my Lord.
Maybe, Lordship, I would like to mention a matter for listing for tomorrow.
Item?
Urgent listing of a matter for tomorrow, Your Lordship. Lordship, my land has been acquired. The process has been started for acquisition of my land. And construction has been started. My land is Nyadibatta land, Your Lordship. And it's been done under the 1964 Land Acquisition and Acquisition Act. And under the grab of requisition, my Lordship, without a notice, under Section 6 of the Act, the requisition, under grab of requisition, acquisition has been started, Your Lordship.
Okay.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship, hearing column 13 and 14.
Yes.
Yeah. I am for respondent number 3, Lordship. Senior counsel A. Dasgupta supposed to be argue this case.
Okay.
Due to some difficulties, Lordship, adjourn the matter for today.
Okay.
Petitioner is
Mr. K. Kolita, learning counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. T. Sutia, learning counsel on behalf of Mr. A. Dasgupta, learning senior counsel. Oh, who appears for the respondent number 3. Has submitted that Mr. Dasgupta, due to personal reason, could not conduct the hearing today and has sought for listing of the case on another date. First of has sought for and agreed to by the learning counsel for the parties. When then next week will be motion
after vacation.
After vacation. Agree to a date.
28 July.
20 for further hearing.
28
For further
July.
hearing.
For further hearing.
Interim may continue. Interim, there is an interim order.
Interim order, whoever passed earlier shall continue till the next.
I beg to mention item number 12, Lordship. I'm appealing from respondent number 6, Lordship. Lordship, we have received a brief just yesterday. We have filed a Lordship.
Okay. So you want, have you informed? Have you informed the other side?
Lordship, I've been unable to complete that.
Wait for your turn then.
Lordship.
Any other?
With the consent of the other party, I beg to mention for item number 7.
7. You are for?
Petition.
Miss
MD.
M.D. Learning Counsel for the petition has sought an adjournment with the consent of Mr. H. Borua, Learning Counsel for the respondent Finance and Taxation Department authorities. In view of the same, let the case be listed. When?
Lordship Friday.
Come I ask for, come on Friday.
Lordship also there is an interim.
Interim order passed shall continue till the next day.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please? Malad, some malad eviction matters, malad, may I pay for listing on day after tomorrow?
Motion
Motion.
cannot wait till Friday.
Can be.
Friday.
Obliged.
For personal appearance, item number 3.
What is the matter, Mr. Roy?
My lord, my school, my lord, which was established in 1894. In 1977, it was provincialized. And I've been, my lord, the non-payment of rent, 500 rupees at that time it was agreed, my lord. But no rent paid. Now the school is closed, my lord. I want that the school land should be returned back to me, my lord, because this is a Miadi land, my lord. Still, my name, I'm the holder of the land. Government has no right to take over the
Government
land.
has not acquired the land.
Not acquired the land. Lordship will see. There is a decree also, my lord. But my suit was dismissed, my lord. But court said that Lordship may come to page 35, my lord.
$35.
35, my lord.
Yes.
So, though there is no prayer for recovery of rent, as it is seen that the defendant has failed to pay the rent, including the arrear. Hence, the defendant is directed to pay all the rent area also to the plaintiff within the 3 months from the date of this rent has not been paid, and since 1977, my lord.
Suit was for what?
Suit was for recovery and possession and eviction of the defendant school, my lord.
The recovery of possession.
Right.
But that was not allowed.
Not allowed.
For what reason?
I don't know, but they are not paying rent, my lord.
No, in a judgment, why it was disallowed?
Disallowed because, my lord, the school is running that time, my lord.
Okay. So public interest.
Yes, my lord. Now the lordship may see thereafter they have filed a revision that was dismissed, and then lordship may come to page 60, my lord. The school was closed. I have given the photographs on the last occasion, my lord.
What was the name of the school?
School Bejburwa, my lord. First school. Jorhat
Gauhati
Bejburwa.
Bejburwa. Okay. School closure. Declare closure. Order. And all the teachers are given instruction to attend the respective school from. So teachers are shifted.
Yes, my lord. That there is no student, my lord.
Hmm.
And lordship may come to page 62, my lord. There was a committee formed to verification of documents, my lord, land status.
Hmm.
So no report. Thereafter, nothing has been done, my lord.
Any affidavit? No.
The affidavit filed, my lord, they're very affidavit, my lord. Now they've filed the affidavit, my lord.
Additional Deputy Commissioner Education.
Page
So why today it is listed?
because, my lord, they have been asked to give the status of the school, my
Secondary
lord.
Education Department.
My lord.
No affidavit.
My lord.
For that reason.
We have filed our affidavit today, my lord. My lord, in fact, the last occasion, my lord, since there was no instruction forthcoming from the department,
Huh.
the personal appearance of the inspector of schools was
Okay.
directed. We have filed our affidavit, my lord. If your lordship kindly finds page 26, my lord, there were 4 issues which was decided in negative against the petitioner, my lord. Page 26, my lord. More particularly, issue
Question
number.
is land petitioner remains a landowner.
Hello.
It is not a case that the state has acquired the land
No.
or requisitioned the land.
This is a malab, the school was established in the year 1894, malab, and the school was taken in under the deficit grantinage scheme in 1977.
But
Now the-
deficit granting scheme is for what? Deficit granting scheme is there for salary and allowances, whatever deficit is there, that will be filled up by the state. That does not mean that they have acquired a right of landowner over the plot of land.
No.
Right.
Huh?
So
And
the land remains in the name of the
And
owner.
thereafter, in 1977, the school was provincialized. Now,
But by operation of law, what is provincialized?
taking over the responsibility of the salary and allowances of the.
School may be provincialized,
So, however, my lord, the decree which the plaintiff filed a suit
but
for
that
recovery
does
of
not,
possession.
but that does not mean that you can continue. But by virtue of the title suit, you can continue with the possession, occupation of the
The
land.
plaintiff.
But your right will continue provided you pay rent, requisition the land, or acquire the land. But otherwise, requisition, purpose of requisition is for temporary. From 1894, you are on the land.
No, 18, not 18, 1977. man.
Okay.
School was
Whatever.
established. It is
So
claimed by
one
the
is
petitioner.
rent.
Yes. Now, my lord,
Second is your possession.
My lord, 1/2/74, that land was.
So have you addressed this issue in your affidavit?
Nothing, my lord.
not clearly.
Newly filed affidavit.
I'll file. Huh?
Nothing, my lord.
Today you have filed.
Yes. my lord. Today we
Have you addressed this issue?
My lord, not specifically. my lord. I'll require my lord,
No one require. How many times you will file affidavits?
They've said nothing, madam. They are repeating the same affidavit filed by my lord.
Additional Deputy Commissioner Land.
Yes, yes.
Okay. For not filing affidavit, the personal appearance was
Was-
called for. We'll dispense it then. Your name, madam?
My lord, my name is Buli Gogoznia, Inspector of Schools.
Uri Gogoi Bhuiyan.
bully go.
Buli Gogoi. Okay, heard Mr. J. Roy, learned senior counsel, estate by Mr. R. Harzurika, learned counsel for the petitioners. Who else are appearing?
My lord, I am appearing for the secondary education.
Mr. H.K. Hazarika, learned junior government advocate for the respondent number 1, 5, 6, and 9. 7 also?
7 also.
7 also. And Mr. B. Kosik,
My lord.
learned
appearing
standing
for-
counsel,
Secondary education. my lord.
secondary education department for the respondent number 2,
2, 4, and 8.
2, 4, and 8. Full stop. In reference to the order dated 22/05/2026, Ms. Buli Gogoi
Gogoznia.
Bhuiyan, Inspector of Schools, Jorhat, has appeared in person along with Mr. Kosik, Land Standing Council, Secondary Education Department. Full stop. It is submitted that the direction for personal appearance was made for not filing of the affidavit on behalf of the Secondary Education Department. First of Mr. It is submitted today that the counter affidavit on behalf of the Secondary Education Department has already been filed today. Right? With a copy to the learned counsel for the petitioners. First of, in view of the same in view of filing of the counter affidavit on behalf of the Secondary Education Department authorities
Inspector of
responded.
Schools, madam.
Inspector school.
Okay. Inspector of school is not in a decision-making authority, Mr.
Well, with regard to the status as to
Hmm.
ask for. well,
Okay. Good. The response number 8, in view of filing of the, sorry, Secondary Education Department Madhya. In view of filing of the affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 8, that is Inspector of School Jorhat, today, the appearance of Ms. So-and-so is dispensed with. First up. However, in view of the issue least involved in this writ petition, a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent
1 minute. Respondent
number 2
Respondent 2.
is found necessary. Yes, Mr. Kosik, then he will appear personally.
My lord, Lordship will give me 2 weeks time. I'll bring on record everything.
Okay, Mr. Kosik, last standing counsel so has sought for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 2 without fail.
My lord.
List the case. Prayer is allowed. List the case on suspension.
Date pending.
17 July, 1707.
Right.
Grateful.
But you file.
I'll
Otherwise, same,
I'll file.
same direction.
I'll file.
Supplementary list, promotion, item 16.
Yes, sir.
My lord, I'm sorry, yesterday's matter.
No, it's okay.
But in this case, I'm just having a short note, my lord, that your lordship will have.
Take me to the
Yes.
documents.
uh,
How many
This
petitioners?
is the third round of litigation before.
How many petitioners?
Yes, 2 petitions.
Hamida Khatun, Firuza Khatun. Yes.
Yes. So these persons have came into that portion of the land since my lord 12.
What are the description of the land?
My lord?
Where we will find, in which paragraph,
Uh,
description of the land?
Yes, your lordship will find. First, you know, kindly see my lord, that idea what else, my lord, just this Solagapur Court, Solag, my lord, page 30,
Page?
my lord, 31 is class, kindly see page 36, operative partner. Page 36.
Okay, these petitioners approached earlier.
Yes. That is my lord, approach on, but that is order dated for the 12.
No, no, where are the lands?
Yes,
Description?
yes, land description your lordship will find. I am coming, my lord. Yes, there are two of our petition, man.
Para 2.
Two. There are two, page 7, you look at this. 5, 6 line or 7 line. You look. One cut of 5 blessa is.
Okay,
Now,
then,
kindly see page 36. Because there was a special order might have to pass order within 6 months, 6 months. Page 36.
there are lots of petitioners. These petitioners were there.
Now, in this.
They are part of the petitioner.
Yes, part.
Hamida.
It is 8 and 9, madam.
Okay.
In that case, it will be 8 and 9.
Mhm.
So in that case, madam, your lordship will, rather your lordship see, upon such application being submitted, your lordship, page 36, I am reading, madam.
Page 36.
Paragraph 8.
Yes,
Including part, madam.
yes.
Upon its application being submitted, the authorities in the office of the DC shall give a consideration to such application within a period of 6 months from the date of submission of application, and in doing so, authorities in the office of the DC may require the petitioner to provide with any other information, document, etc., in order to substantiate that they satisfy all the requirements in clause 14.2 and 14.4 of the land policy 1919. madam. Upon such consideration, a reasonable order be passed by the authorities in the office of the legislature, so and so based upon such. So this was the order, madam. Thereafter, madam, your lordship, again. Yes, your lordship will find that, yes, spot prohibition was done on 28. Then joint secretary on 31, kindly page 38, madam. Joint secretary report after spot verification, page 38. In terms of proposal, madam, forwarded by the DC. madam. This is page 38, joint secretary, the government of Assam, madam, depend to DC. madam.
Hmm.
Your lordship will find in inviting a reference to your letter on the subject, I am directed to request you to clarify the following. In the remarks column, in the data copy, there is mention of TB hospital. Besides, you are requested to furnish the following information for taking necessary action. Photograph showing the full house and proposed plot of land. Documentary proof of the ingenuousness of the applicant. So in terms of that, my lord, again, fresh my lord, verification was made and Lot Bundle submitted the report to the, in term of this, my lord, page 40, your lordship will find. Page 140.
Yes.
This report is coming from Lot Bundle to the circle officer.
Yes.
Yes. Page 401. Third paragraph, madam, on field verification. Page 40.
Hmm. Yes.
It on field verification, it is found that the proposed land for settlement in the application Hamida Khatun, the petition number 1. The applicant has been residing there, making dwelling house since 1990 as submitted and submitted the revenue receipt, GMC receipt, photo submitted. It may be, it is mentioned that part of the land measuring 1 point so and so, Mauza so and so has been settled and record also have been corrected in the name of Sri Madan Mohan, some other person might have, the similarly situated person land. And you'll also kindly see on that, on field verification, it is found that the proposed land for settlement in the application Hamida Beckham is outside the boundary wall of the TB hospital. That is very important, right? Then you'll also kindly see that as subdivision officer on page 44, he is writing on
Yes.
behalf of the DC to the commissioner. Right? Page 44.
Yes.
With reference to the letter subject above, I have the honor to further here furnish here with the report submitted by the circle officer, Revenue Circle dated 28/2/22. This report is available in other page. I'll show your lordship. We settlement of land of so and so in favor of.
I have read
Yeah.
that
Your lordship.
now there is a batch of read petitions.
Now, again, my lord, second notice what issued by the
Notice was issued.
notice.
Then you approached High Court.
High Court.
In a batch of read petition, a common judgment was
Yes,
passed.
common husband, your lordship will find page. Yes, page 87 onward by the start.
Yes.
Yeah, your-
Page 90.
Yes, page 90.
Page 90 or 99.
Your lordship.
99.
99, what is it? 99. 99 paragraph 30, 50. Kindly see my this.
So you submitted reply.
I submitted the reply.
Hmm.
Now, matter is then, now what happened, my lord? You all kind of photo.
Intimation, submitted reply.
One.
Any order has been.
Come and the puja, my lord.
Come to page 99 again.
99, yes. Page 99.
Roman 4.
Yes. That-
Whether any order has been passed.
That to give an opportunity of hearing to the outsider, no order has been passed.
No order has been
No order
passed.
has been passed. Then your lordship file, but now why you have to come, my lord? 122 kindly, page 122.
Yes.
Now, this notice was, my lord, on my lord, 6/6/26. The property belongs to Pradyutishpur Medical College Hospital Authority. Trespasser will be prosecuted. We are in the house, my lord, in front of our house, this notice was sent. So because of that, I have come before worship now. And finally, a resolution of land as a committee.
Where is that?
117. My lord, resolution number 293, page 117, your last kindness. Original is my lord, page, it starts from page 118. Your lordship may see the 118 also. My notes of the meeting of the advisory committee. Now, page 119, my lord. Our resolution number 295 deals with the petition number 1. Page 119.
Hmm. So what difficulty you are facing now?
Now, because of this notice, my lord, notice have been, anytime I may be evicted from that.
But page 99, if they have not passed any
That is
speaking
what I am
order.
saying, now. Nothing has been done till today.
Yes,
Nadia also did not pass any order in the first count of litigation.
Mr. Borpujari, page 99.
Yes. This petition has been filed on 10th of this month. 10/6/2026. And the speaking order has in the meantime come, my lord. It has been passed on 12/6. Perhaps petitioner would naturally not know the speaking orders.
After filing of the case, the notice, man.
Then also they will have a leeway. I will address, my lord.
Well,
12.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, right or wrong, they have passed an order.
said maybe after filing of the case, man.
Maybe.
They woke up,
I
they
have,
woke up, my lord.
I have.
Maybe page
I
99,
have
they have
already
amended.
submitted. It is not a case of waking up.
Maybe
After
page
how many years?
99, that direction was there. Maybe they have not
RDA also direction there, my lord. Your lordship.
adhered to the time limit. But they have passed an order. Maybe it is up to you for.
And similarly situated person already allotted. That will for next time. On the
But-
same line, my lord.
The question of this is for them too. Page 99.
And then we have to-
Maybe, yes.
If I may,
This one, my lord, we have not got, even you don't know whether an order is passed till today. Maybe that after filing of this writ petition, my lord.
Definitely 12/6. 12/6, the order has been passed.
that's what I have
What we
fairly
have to see, my lord, how, why they woke up now after 2-3 years, my lord. Only because, my lord, we find a case, we will worship, my lord.
You have to assail this order.
And at
otherwise-
least some right I'm having, my lord, they have, might already they have approved
No,
that.
you'll find the answer going through the
That-
speaking
that's
order
what-
itself,
so-
not for me to.
No, my lord, that, but in the meantime, my lord, because I need some protection, my lord, otherwise,
if I may
anytime, my
respectfully,
lord, I may be evicted. my lord.
if I may respectfully submit, my lord. If lordship may be pleased to come to page 100, my lord, the very next page, my lord.
There already, Salakuddin, it is there.
No, my lord, they will have a leeway of further 30 days. I must be fair to the court, my lord. Please see Roman 5, my lord, page 100.
And
I've seen-
The court upon the speaking orders being passed.
Yes, I have
The
seen.
yes, so they will have
I
a
know.
leeway.
30 days, no,
30 days
nothing.
with effect from, my lord, 12/6/2026. That, my lord.
But don't put any obstacle to in the ingress and egress for the
Absolutely.
time being for period of
Yes.
That
30.
will also be recorded with
Yes.
the ability to file.
And
Right.
if I may,
So
if-
for
I-
period of 30 days, I'll record your statement that there will be no obstacle for a petitioner and petitioner family members for ingress and egress to the land in question, plot in law. And they have the liberty to file, challenge the speaking order. We are not doing so.
if I may, my lord, further submit, my lord. This bunch of writ petition, my lord, lordship has seen, my lord, this bunch of writ petition altogether 26 speaking orders were passed, my lord. Those were put to challenge after this order, my lord. Again, the speaking orders were put to challenge before
This
order.
12/6.
No, my lord, prior to that.
Huh.
This is a common judgment and order, my
Yes.
lord, at page 9900.
Read is preferred.
Yes, writ petitions were preferred, my lord. Just like the speaking orders passed on 12/6, which is before your lordship, my lord. Similarly, speaking orders were passed on an earlier date, my lord, last year, in respect of 26 persons. giving a leeway of 30 days, my lord. They had challenged those speaking orders like the present one, my lord, before this honorable court by filing successive writ petitions. Those batch of writ petitions were dismissed by a common judgment and order by this honorable court. Put to appeal before the division bench. Division bench have also dismissed the writ appeal. This is the status.
No,
my lord.
but
I must-
let us see
yes,
the facts of each case.
Absolutely.
Right.
So he has a leeway of 30 days
Huh?
with effect from
We'll
12.
examine the facts of the
Yes,
case,
yes.
of each case. They may not be similarly situated with the other petitioners. Because he is saying that it is initially it was outside the boundary.
And the surprising of this honorable
So,
court with the
Electricity is also connected.
No, we can say that ingress and egress should not be.
At least 30 days that could not have taken the electricity.
electricity.
Now I can survive.
We are not an authority.
Electricity is different.
But your worship may observe also what I am saying.
Heard Mr.
Electricity,
Ishwar's
I have
will and
taken
senior
instructions,
counsel
no
listed by
disruption of
Mr.
electricity by the revenue authority.
No, senior listed by Mr. Learned Counsel for the Petitioners and Mr. R. Borpuzari, learned junior learned standing counsel.
Revenue, my lord.
Revenue Department for the respondent number 1.
One, my lord.
Mr. S.R. Borua, learned junior government advocate for the respondent number 2 to 5. Post of para. The two petitioners have approached this court stating that they are in occupation of 2 plots of land, each measuring 1 katha 5 lasas, pursuant to an agreement, pursuant to agreements executed by them to with a erstwhile possessors of the said lands in the year 1992, and since then they are in occupation, continuous occupation of the said 2 plots of land, which are covered, which are under dark number 12 within bracket O stroke 97 within bracket N at village Ulubari, Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, Moja Ulubari, Gauhati Revenue Circle, Kamrup Metropolitan District, Assam, subject plots. Post of. When the petitioners have stated that they submitted applications for allotment or settlement of the subject plots in their favor as per the land policy 2019, and had preferred a writ petition WBC number 962/2020 along with 18 others. The writ petition was disposed of by a judgment dated 28/5/2020, directing the respondent number to give consideration to the applications of petitioner within a period of 6 months. In terms of the provisions of the land policy 2019, more particularly clause 14.2 and 14.4. Post of. Thereafter, the applications of the petitioners were processed by the state respondents. The petitioners have stated that it was reported to the government in the Revenue and Disaster Management Department by the respondent number 4 via an office letter dated 17/3/2022 that the subject plots allotment stroke settlement of the subject plots proposals for allotment stroke settlement of the subject plots in favor of the petitioners were approved by the Subdivisional Land Advisory Committee, jurisdictional, as the LSC on 11/12/2020, and a report of the Land Revenue Staff, a report dated 17/12/2021 of the Land Revenue Staff mentioned that the subject plots were outside the parcel of land, outside the boundary wall of the TB hospital. Full stop. Subsequently, when another set of notices were issued to the were served upon the petitioners, terming them as illegal encroachers, the petitioners approached this court by two writ petitions, 7384/2022. Hamida. 7383/2022 and 7384/2022. The said writ petitions were taken up for consideration along with a batch of other writ petitions and were disposed of by common judgment and order dated 7/11/2024. The operative relevant portions of the judgment and order dated 7/11/2024 are reads as under paragraph 9, page 99, paragraph 50. In terms of the said judgment and order, the petitioners submitted two applications for projecting that they had a bona fide claim for allotment stroke settlement of the subject plots in their favor. Full stop. On 6/12/2024 applications. But in this writ petition, the petitioners have canvassed that without passing any speaking orders on the application submitted by the petitioners, the respondent authorities, on which date?
6/6/26.
On 6/6/2000.
22.
6/6/2026 have affixed a notice, have affixed a notice in and around
In front of
the subject plots with the caption, quote unquote, page 122. This property belongs to Pragyotishpur Medical College and Hospital Authority. Full stop. Trespasser will be prosecuted. Unquote. Full stop. Para. Mr. Borpujari, Learned Standing Council, Revenue Department, has submitted that speaking orders in terms of the direction made by this court in the judgment and order dated 7/11/2024, comma, have been passed on 12/6/2026. Full stop. He has submitted that though the speaking orders have been passed, albeit belatedly, but the issue regarding the claim of the petitioner for allotment or settlement, stroke settlement of the subject plots, have been decided by the competent authority. Full stop. As the speaking orders were not assailed in this writ petition. No, the speaking orders are required to be challenged. Full stop. No, full stop. Para. Mr. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petition, has submitted that the speaking orders have not yet been communicated to the petition
Yes, not till today.
till today. What is the direction there? 99?
Oh, that is the page you must.
Page 100,
Page 100.
page 100.
That is common order dated 7/11/24.
And copy has also been marked to the writ petitioners, my lord, individual writ petitioners. The second page of the speaking orders, my lord. It's a both side print document, my lord. But nonetheless, my lord,
Para.
today they have the
Para.
knowledge.
Hmm?
Today, my lord, the petitioners have the knowledge.
Yes,
To Mr. Chaudhary's knowledge is not knowledge.
Yes, sir, I'm saying because from there,
Whatever.
in the court itself, I came to know it.
Para. This court is of the considered view that as speaking orders have already been passed on 12/6/2026, comma, the petitioner's claim regarding allotment stroke settlement of the subject plots can be adjudicated as and when the speaking orders are assailed in a writ petition. As the speaking orders are not assailed in this writ petition, comma, this writ petition. This court is of the considered view that this writ petition is to be closed with granting liberty to the petitioners to assail the speaking orders dated 12/6/2026 in an approach as permissible. Sorry, before the appropriate forum as permissible under the law. Full stop. I can hand over a copy to Mr. So-and-so.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Borpujari has undertaken.
Circulated soft copy to him.
Has undertaken
already served,
to serve, furnish a copy of the each of the speaking orders dated 12/6/2026, physically as well as in soft form, during the course of the day.
Already served, my lord.
Okay, I am recording.
My lord.
Para. As the speaking orders are to be communicated to the to Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioners, comma, today are to be comma, the respondent authorities shall not take any coercive measures against the petitioners for a period of 30 days from today.
Yes, yes.
And such coercive measure includes, shall Cell. Such, also, it is further observed that as the petitioners are in occupation or subject to clause for a period of time, comma, there shall not be any obstruction for ingress and egress of the petitioners and their family members from the subject plots for a period of 30 days
30
from
days
today.
from today. Yes.
Yes. About the electricity, my lord, though I have. You'll-
That is,
Also,
but the ACB is not party.
Not party, but they can.
I have taken instructions. We have no control over disruption.
And
And we have not disrupted even, my lord.
I'm not
cannot,
saying,
my lord.
but they must get information from them, my lord.
I
otherwise-
cannot, my lord. I cannot.
Now I have got the copy.
In the, yes. No problem. Very
I will
fair.
write now.
No, both the councils are, they do not submit unfairly.
I'm so obliged.
17.
Petition is disposed of with aforesaid observations
yes.
and directions. Yes, sir.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, I have approached this honorable court. Lordship may kindly see case 28. The impugn notice issued by respondent number 3, Lordship.
28,
Lordship. Page 28 is the notice.
Circle Officer, Dhubri Revenue Circle. Your name,
My name, Lordship.
serial number
56
Number 56.
56,
in vernacular 55.
vernacular 55. Mr. Hussain has added one more.
No, Lordship. Actually, there is missing in vernacular one and
50, 50
56.
in vernacular,
Vernacular 55.
Mir Hussain Mia.
Yes, 55.
What is this? Disaster management.
Yes.
Disaster management.
Lordship.
Yes,
this is-
yes, Lordship.
নির্দেশন আপুনি নিজে মুকলি কৰি দিব নালা বন্ধ নিৰ্মাণ কৰা সমূহ মুকলি কৰি দিয়া হ'ব yes what is your case now
Lordship, I have closed, purchased the plot of land in the year 2005, Lordship. And the land is
how much land
19 lessons of land, Lordship.
19 lessons of land
Patta land.
periodic pata land
Purely Patta land, Lordship. I have a
where is that statement
statement, Lordship, may kindly find that paragraph 2, Lordship. Paragraph 2.
then
Then I have NHD documents of.
you have constructed a building
I have G+1 building is there,
G+1 building
and I am residing there since 2010, Lordship.
now you said that what you said so Hollypur Ambagan water drainage channel has no connection with your plot of land
No connection, Lordship.
paragraph 5
Lordship, 150 meters away, that's an.
yes yes
In the impugn notice, Lordship, it is written as পানী যোৱা নলা বন্ধ কৰি থকা নিৰ্মাণসমূহ মুকলি কৰি দিয়া হ'ব. If any construction obstructed the drain, Lordship, then it will be cleared, Lordship.
But periodic Patal and his statement is paragraph 5.
Yes.
He said, 4 number of plots between the water drainage channels and a petitioner's plot of land.
Yes, yes.
And distance is 150 meters.
150 meters, yes.
You rebut it. You rebut it. You have given a wholesale notice. So far as petitioner is concerned,
Concern, yes, yes.
only,
His Matipatala will not touch the.
that's all. Heard Mr. M.I. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Miss N. Bordoloi, Revenue, 1. Mr. N. Goswami, learned Junior Government Book Assam for the respondent number 2 and 3. Post of. The petitioner has approached this court to assail a notice dated 12/6/2026, issued under the hand of the respondent number 3. In notice is shown to be issued under section page 30 30 within bracket 2 within bracket V and 34.
Section 32.
34 maybe A, co
A.
of the Disaster Management Act 2005.
5 yes.
In order to clear, stroke restore, stroke open a water channel named Khalilpur within bracket
Ambagan.
Ambagan on 17/6/2026 at 11 a.m. on 17/6/2026. Full stop. The petitioner has projected that his plot of land is a periodic patta land measuring 19 lasas, covered by DAG number 334 new and patta number 439 new at village Jagrapar Part 1, Tubri Revenue Circle, and he purchased the subject plot by executing a registered sale deed on 15/7/2025. Post of after purchase, the petitioner constructed a G+1 RCC building on the subject plot. The petitioner has asserted that the subject plot, in between the subject plot and Khalilpur Ambagan water drainage channel, there are 4 number of other plots, and the distance of the subject plot from the Khalilpur Ambagar water drainage channel is about 150 meters. Para. Issue notice returnable on so and so as Ms. Bodoloy and Ms. Gusami. Heard or learned counsel for the parties on the interim prayer, as the petitioner is stated to be the landowner of a periodic patta land, that is a subject land, and the subject lot is located at a distance from so and so water drainage channel, it is ordered, in the interim that the respondent authorities shall not while undertaking the restoration of process of clearing, restoring or opening Khalilpur Ambagan water drainage channel, shall not carry out any activities insofar as the subject plot belonging to petitioner is concerned till the returnable date. Carry out any activity in terms of impugn notice dated so and so insofar as the subject plot belonging to the petitioner is concerned till the returnable date. Only petitioner's land.
He's Medipatta land.
Since he has said Miyadi Patta land.
My lord, may I pray one thing, lordship? Since it's now 3 o'clock, lordship, I mean,
Mr. You communicate. You communicate. The order will be there. The petitioner is permitted to submit a downloaded copy of this order to the respondent number 3 for his knowledge and necessary action. In addition, Mr. Goswami, learned so and so, is to communicate a copy of this order to the respondent number 3 by tomorrow on or before 11 a.m.
Yes.
Tomorrow, what is the date? 17/6/2026.
deeply obliged.
Daily list for admission. Item number 1.
Mr. Bhuya, I thought that it would be at 10:30. I will dictate the order. but because of the situation and division bench unexpected, some other day will dictate the order. No, no way. You are enjoying interim order?
Yes, Lord.
Then we'll dispose it from next Tuesday. Because I have kept some part heard matter Thursday.
Lordship, flex has been already declared by Lordship.
Yes, yes, but I thought that it will be dictated in the court.
Lordship, I've
But I thought that it will be 10:30.
Lordship, as per your last order, I've also filed the additional affidavit
Okay.
bringing on record the rectification order dated 24/4/2020.
Had it, I have seen, you should have, because argument is made on different count, but in the order itself, otherwise, page 87, it says that any person aggrieved by any decision, 3 months.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You should have brought it earlier.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyway, whether rectification order gives rise to a new period of limitation, we will not go into it. Because of a set of other decisions in Arbitration and Conciliation Act, there a specific provision is provided, some rectification application is made, that will give rise to a new period of limitation. Because there is a specific provision. We will not go into that debate, but petitioner has made out a privacy case.
Lordship.
Naam kita likhi dibo. Due to paucity of time, the case could not be taken up today. List the case again on Tuesday. The interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Much of.
We hope that it will be taken up at 10:30.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
2306.
Much of it.
Item 2.
Pursuant to this honorable court's order, the respondents have filed an affidavit today.
Today, my lord.
We received the copy at around 2 p.m., Your Lordship. Therefore, I would simply like to state on instruction of my senior, Your Lordship, this matter may be taken up after vacation, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
ठीक है, sure.
Monday.
Not possible Monday.
After vacation, Your Lordship.
After vacation. 2016 interim order is for last 10 years. Now you are in a hurry.
Lordship, I am on instruction of my DISG.
Now you are in a hurry. You were not in a hurry since 2016. And Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Central Government Council for the response. Any state? State is there.
It is not, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Kaishov has submitted that he has received a copy of the additional affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent, Union of India authorities today. Okay, revenue, any revenue is there?
Revenue has been made a part.
1 and 2, 1 and 2, huh? CGC 1 and 2. And he needs 2 weeks time to go through the same and to respond. Come on, if so advised. First, in view of the above submission made by Mr. Kashyap, let the case be listed on after vacation review, the interim order passed earlier. There is interim order, shall continue till the next request.
1707.
Much.
17 July.
This may be recorded in item number 1.
Which one? Okay, item number 1.
Yes.
Okay, naam kita likhi do.
5.
Agora to asai side.
Item 5.
Yes. Tobildar. Where is Tobildar?
My lord, in fact, this is a case, my lord, where he is a candidate, my lord.
Candidate?
Yes.
I have some distinction in the setup, where I have challenged the election of president of Gaon Panchayat, not the directly elected member.
But the ground is, my lord, disqualification.
Disqualification, but the order, my learned friend maybe referred the order.
No.
Recently passed, my lord.
First tell me which is the Gaon Panchayat.
Order of Gaon Panchayat.
Moirad Has, Gaon Panchayat. What is the last election? Panchayat election?
Yes.
Now, how this president of Gaon Panchayat is to be selected?
By the members, my lord.
By the members.
By the members.
by voting
By vote.
after all are elected.
Yes.
All are elected.
Yes.
So when there is a dispute, my lord, regarding the election of.
Where is the provision that, is there any provision that after president is now directly selected or
No, my
indirectly?
lord. Nowadays, it's like Ansalika and Zilla Parishad, my lord. Gaon Panchayat, from the members, as per section 10, my lord, the election has to be done. Amongst the members, the election for president and vice
There
president.
is provision once elected as president, he should not be, no confidence, there should be no confidence.
No confidence to 2.5 years waiting period.
Half the period.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
And as per section 11, DC has the power to decide the election of the Gaon Panchayat of president, madam. But in this case, madam, their grievance is that some members should be disqualified under section 111.
No member, my lord. My case is, my case
Let
is
us
that-
see your first prayer.
Page number 22, my lord. Set aside and quash the minutes of the meeting dated 11/7/2025, whereby the respondent number 8 was elected as president of 46 number Morelos Gaon Panchayat.
Now, where is 11/7?
That was not given to me, my lord.
Huh?
But my lord, there is an inquiry there after my.
What is 11/7? What is 11/7? What happened in 11/7?
It is 63, my lord. Page number 63.
You attended or you did not attend? Huh? Where is your name type? At page 63.
I'm sorry, my lord, I have not attended, my lord.
Huh?
I'm sorry, I'm not attended, my lord. Altogether, my lord,
No. Yes, so what have you pleaded about 11/7/2025?
yes, my lord. In that meeting, I have not attended.
Huh?
My case is that, my lord,
No. First, let us have the facts first.
I have not attended.
11/7.
11.
Where have you pleaded about 11/7? Where have you stated about 11/7?
At 16, my lord.
Para 16. You are what? You are an elected member.
I'm an elected.
So why you choose not to attend the first meeting? That is the first meeting.
Yes. The second meeting, my lord. First meeting was held, it was, my lord, was not held because of the lack of quorum, my lord. Therefore, this.
Now, in a meeting where you have not said why you did not attend that meeting. Have you said in paragraph 16?
Interrogation, I have not stated that, my lord. Prior to the
No,
meeting, my lord.
I am asking you, you have drafted the petition, I have not, so I have not seen it. where have you stated that why you have not attended the meeting? Or you did not receive any notice?
My lordship may kindly have page 70.
70.
Yes, 70. Immediately after the election, this representation was filed. Nothing whisper is there, my lord. Single whisper is there that they were, why they were absent, but only grievance that disqualification. They are seeking, my lord.
Disqualification
Yeah.
for what? President?
Yes, as a
President.
member, my lord.
No,
They are
question
saying-
is, firstly is as his election as president.
Yes,
When they have not said anything,
yes, yes,
why they not attended the meeting?
yes, my lord,
Where they had the occasion to oppose
my lord,
or to also stand in the election,
my lord, my lord.
they did not.
Yes,
And they choose not to explain
yes, yes,
that his election as president
my lord,
in the meeting on 11/7/2025,
my lord.
we are not found to be an issue, we require to go into.
Now, my lord.
That on 11/7, they could have raised the
Yes,
objection.
yes, that, yes,
They could have contested the election themselves
my lord.
and they could have opposed them.
When they have elected, my lord, now they are saying,
Had said that
Yes.
that notice was not received and we are not aware, that is a different issue
Yes,
altogether.
yes,
That
yes.
will be a question of fact.
yes, yes,
But here they have not said.
not said, my lord.
So whatever is not said, we are not taking it as one.
In fact, why-
Next is
yes,
his election as a member of the Gaon Panchayat.
my lord. My lord, why I am referring this, my lord, because now they cannot develop that notices were not served.
No, no, no.
Yes.
Now it is not.
Yes, that is why, my lord.
That is why I have asked Mr.
My-
Hussain
My lord,
the questions
my lord.
with regard to paragraph 16.
Yes, yes. I'm obliged, my lord.
Right. So when you did not attend on 11/7/2025, and you have not explained that I did not receive notice, meaning thereby you have chosen not to attend. And when something got transacted by members having a quorum, that issue, his election as a president is gone. Your challenge to the response number 8 selection or election as a president in the meeting on 11/7/2025 is gone. Now, second issue. The second issue is about his disqualification. Is it not?
Yes. And his,
Then there is a specific law. Now, tell me, I can understand. A contesting candidate, election petition. An elector, a writ petition. But for a elected member to challenge another elected member's qualification, how do you, are you from the same party?
no.
In Gaon Panchayat level, there is no party.
my lord.
No party. Where is Mr. Tobildar? Response number 8. You are supposed to file affidavit. You will be the affected person if the writ petition is allowed. Mr. Hussain, don't argue on your 11/7/2025. Only issue
Only on the disqualification.
because your pleading is deficient on that count.
Fairly, my lord, submit.
We'll test your challenge to his election
Regarding disqualification.
as a Gaon Panchayat member. If you are successful, his presidency will also go.
My lord. For presidency also, my lord, so far the it is concerned, my lord, same criteria is regarding the disqualification.
One-
I will argue, my lord, on
One
this.
important aspect, my lord, my colleague will submit, my lord.
Election petition is also pending.
That election petition,
Election petition 5 of 25 is also pending.
They filed election petition also.
Who?
have not,
No, he had not filed.
Have not.
Some, one Rafiqul Islam has filed against. Election petition is pending.
Okay, bring it.
We have bring it on.
Already
File,
bring it.
affidavit file.
If, because I'm finding it difficult to accept that one elected member will challenge the election of another elected member. I am finding it difficult to accept. But
Apex court
this
order is also
proposition-
there, man.
Huh?
In that regard, Apex court order is also there.
if one MLA is going to file, suppose one MLA, Gauhati East MLA, is challenging a MLA's election in Dibrugarh constituency. Is it possible in
Yes,
election law? That is a issue
Yes, yes.
I have not come across.
My lord, my lord.
So we'll test whether his locus is there or not.
Yes, man.
Secondly, if there is a possibility for his impleadment in the election petition,
That thing, my lord, already division bench hold, my lord, that the limitation period cannot be condoned.
No,
I'll
no,
place
yes.
on the next date, man. Yes.
yes, Madam Devi, 1 week. Okay, immediately after vacation. ma'am.
Yes, yes. After vacation.
Heard Mr. M.A.I. Hussain. Come up with some authority,
I'll also place.
right? Member from Gauhati MLA, constituency MLA can challenge election of Dibrugarh MLA. Is it possible under election law? If that is possible, it should be possible.
But I am also the member of the same government side.
State Legislative Assembly, MLA are from Assam Legislative Assembly. Gauhati MLA challenging the election of Dibrugarh MLA.
I will study.
Same thing.
I will study on this
My lord.
issue, my lord.
Otherwise, your locus will be decided. As Dr.
Well.
Panchayat Rural 1,
1, 2, 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7.
And for 4.
Mr. S.S. Roy.
4.
4. Miss R. Devi. Land Council for the Respond number 8, Miss R. Devi, whose election as Gram Panchayat member has challenged, has sought for 1 week time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondent. The prayer is allowed. Lays the case on so and so. If after filing of the counter affidavit by the respondent number 8, the petitioner wants to file any reply affidavit, that same may be filed on or before the next date of list. But you ensure that your affidavit is filed within 1 week.
1507, 15 July. Item 6.
I'll place.
Trio. Yes, Mr. Chakraborty.
Lordship, in this case, I have received instruction, Lordship. We want to file our response, Lordship. 3 weeks time may be granted, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Yatra for the petitioner, B. Chakraborty, CGC 1 to 4, and Mr. S.S. Roy 5 to 7. Mr. Chakraborty has submitted that he has received the paragraph comments and he needs 3 weeks time to bring the stand of the respondent number 1 to 4 by way of an affidavit. The prayer is allowed to raise the case on friends.
22nd July, 2207.
Eight Lordship, one instruction I have received.
My lord, I have submission. I have
Just a
already filed
minute.
affidavit.
Who has filed affidavit here?
Your affidavit has been filed by
Respondent 1 and 3.
that is
Who are respondent 1 and 3?
Assistant Passport Officer. Yes, my lord. Let me say to your lordship. First thing, my lord, I went to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia after obtaining passport from India. In the passport, it is clearly written, I am a nationality India. Lordship is aware that without a citizen, foreigner cannot get any passport. Now, in that passport, I got visa and I went to Saudi Arabia. And in February, my term has been finished, visa term. Now it has to be renewed. It has to be renewed. Now I am hanging in Saudi Arabia. Now they say, we have also disclosed in our case
So there are 3 foreigners cases against my 3 brothers. We have disclosed it. What they have said, they want to say we have already disclosed in our writ petition. But there is no case against me. Now, Lordship, my humble prayer is this. If I remain in Saudi Arabia, anytime I may be sent to jail because I am unauthorizedly staying there now. On the other hand, what benefit they will get? If I come to India, if I am, police may ask me questions, police may refer my case to foreigners tribunal. I do not know why they are not understanding this point, madam. If I come to Hojai, then only they will get the chance to ask me questions. They may refer my case to foreigners tribunal because foreigners matter is individual matter. My lord, our High Court has a judgment, my lord. That
Don't place the judgment. Let us understand the facts first. Don't jump to the judgments. What is your name? Nasira.
Najibuddin Chowdhury. This petitioner is the wife of Najibuddin.
So you have gone to which place? Which country?
Saudi Arabia
Saudi Arabia. And when your passport expired?
in January 26.
2026. So you sought renewal of the passport.
Yes.
And you submitted your application
Yes.
for renewal.
Yes.
And there they have not renewed the passport on the ground of adverse report.
Adverse report not against me, against my brothers.
No, they have said something. Let us see. They say that adverse police verification report they have received. That is paragraph 5. Let us understand. Where is the report?
My lord, it is at page 49.
Is there anything, any FT case against you?
No.
Huh? Primary so remarks. Which page, Mr. Rekha?
Page 49.
Page 49.
Page 49. This is the report and this is the detail we have from the concerned department.
What is this remark to question number 1?
Remark, my lord, will find at the middle of the page, adverse FT case number FTD 164/2017. Opinion's case is filed by the order, my lord.
Oh, case is filed means what?
My lord, some proceedings before the court is going on relating to some FT case. And
Is
now
it
it is the
against
stand
you
of
or somebody else?
these cases are regarding the brother of the petitioner. Brothers, my lord.
Okay, brothers.
Brothers. But the difficulty is that, my lord, in order to issue a fresh passport or renewal of the passport, we have to depend on the police verification report. And that has to be submitted by the state. Because the passport authority does not have any mechanism of their own to
Okay.
verify the passport.
Now, so far as petitioner is concerned, why it is treated to be adverse?
My lord, because
What is the parameters to treat the report as adverse?
Adverse. Because
Normally, suppose a person in India,
yes, my lord.
he applies for passport.
Yes, my lord.
Same yardstick will apply for application as well as renewal. Now, he has a few criminal cases registered against him.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, he might flee.
Yes.
Flight risk,
Flight risk. Yes, my lord.
right?
That possibility is there.
So in that case, that he will not be tried in India. He may be a flight risk. He will flee the soil of India, boundaries of India, and he will never come back. And he will not be prosecuted in a trial, and he will not be convicted or punished. That is one of the reasons for not granting the passport. Right. Here is a reverse case.
Yes, ma'am.
He is already there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if the renewal is not done,
Yes, ma'am.
he will be without passport there,
Yes, ma'am.
and there are consequences
Hmm.
for that.
Yes.
If a person in India, suppose,
Hmm.
in India, if a person from Afghanistan
Hmm.
overstays and passport is not renewed
Yeah.
by Afghanistan,
Hmm.
we have seen many persons, they are liable to be criminally prosecuted,
Yes.
and there are punishments. After serving the sentence for 5 years, they are sent to Afghanistan. So India is treated to be lenient so far as sentence is concerned compared to Saudi Arabia or United Arab Emirates. So if here it is 3 years, there must be 5 years, 10 years. So if he overstays, he will be prosecuted there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are the parameters to treat a report as adverse?
Madam, that parameters for the passport authority is very mechanical.
No, there must be some law.
Because, my lord, this particular verification report is not being created by the passport authority, or no verification has been done. We are simply relying on the report that has been submitted by the state.
Now, the situation adverse, his opinion, you cannot, do you not have any discussion to examine the matter?
My lord, statutorily.
Now, let us see the Passport Act, which provision? Which provision?
My lord, there is one provision.
There are
F.
many, Mr.
Section
Deka,
6(2).
there are many office memorandums or notifications.
Yes, my lord. There is one.
Huh.
There
Where
is
is that?
one, my lord. My lord, that particular memorandum right now is not available with me.
Passport Act.
Under Passport Act, there are notifications. I
Yes,
have
my
seen in other briefs.
Yes, my lord. Under section 12, if I'm not mistaken, my lord, there are
Who is,
certain,
how a passport is to be considered?
my lord,
Where is the provision for adverse report?
adverse report that I'm not sure, but the ground on which a passport can be rejected, that my lord will find.
Where is that?
Whereas in section 6,
Section
subsection
6.
2,
Section
F.
6. Okay, just a minute.
2F.
Just a minute.
And the entire section 6 deals with on what grounds a person should be denied of issuing or.
Subject to other provisions, reviews to make an endorsement for visiting any country. Which one? Which one?
I see no.
The discretionary power is not
Huh?
specific. Discretionary power.
There are notifications by Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Home.
Yes, my lord.
You get the relevant
570.
notifications from the Passport Office or
DPO.
Union of India. There are explanations, clarifications.
Clarification.
How a process is to be, when a, can be treated as an adverse report.
Yes, my lord. In that regard.
Otherwise, merely mechanical saying adverse report will not do. He has disclosed, police has disclosed that there are 4 FT cases before the tribunal.
Yes.
And those FT cases are against the brothers of the passport holder.
Yes.
There is no FT cases against the passport holder. That's all.
Yes.
Whether is it an adverse report? The notifications are there. I have seen in other one more cases. While notifications are there explaining and clarifying what is adverse. I have forgotten now. 2 days before.
So for section 6 is concerned,
No,
these
sir.
are not applicable in.
No,
my
no, no.
case.
It can issue notifications.
Yes, under section 12, if I'm not mistaken.
No, my lord, my one prayer is this only. If I remain in Saudi Arabia, I will be prosecuted.
That I have already indicated.
Indicated.
But what benefit they will get?
I am aware.
Therefore, my lord, I'm seeking.
And it is not that. If here the passport is renewed, passport can be renewed for 5 years and 10 years.
10 years.
You will not come back.
Yes, that may be in.
You will stay there. That I have, the court has to see both the sides.
Here, my lord,
Right.
I
Once
want
it is renewed here,
I want
he
to
will
come
never come back because risk is there for him to, instead of Saudi Arabia, somewhere else. He will not come back for 10
I
years.
want to come.
No, that is what, that is to be looked for only for one-time travel.
Oh, yes, my lord, very right.
Only for one-time travel, one way.
My
For
lord,
5 days, 10 days.
here my case is that I want to come here.
But you say before the court, but once it is renewed for 10 years, he will never come back.
Yes.
That is.
Court is also aware of the same.
My lord,
That
it is
we
up to
have
the
no
discretion
idea.
of the court. That court can reduce the time period. That
But show me that
Yes,
this
my
is
lord.
not an adverse
My
report.
lord, I am seeking
And,
just a
and,
week
and
time.
I can grant him 15 days extension. I can, if it is possible for me to grant 1 month extension so that he can travel to India,
Yes, my lord, that is very right.
because he will be otherwise tried there. And you know, the punishment is very harsh there.
Very harsh, man. And sometimes very inhuman also.
Yes.
The way they are being dealt.
It could be death also sometime. And there are punishments of different degrees.
Yes, man.
If they are for the same offense, if they are from that country, say it will be 1 year. If they are from this category, they fall in this category, 5 years.
Right.
If they fall in this category, they will be 10 years for the same offense. 500 rupees for 1 year. For the second category, 5 years. For the third category, is it 10 years?
Right. Yeah.
So it is harsh.
Very harsh.
So please get the information. Try to get it Friday.
Yes, my lord.
Part heard.
Not part heard.
Not
No, my lord, we are studying. We are happily submitting.
We have not done. Friday, it will be listed before me.
deeply obliged.
That is why I am saying Friday.
No, in the meantime,
Try to find out
yes, my lord.
whether this report can be treated as adverse.
Yes, sir. Deeply.
Secondly, there are notifications which are when a case is to be treated as adverse.
Yes.
It is not a criminal case. It is a civil proceeding otherwise.
Yes.
Against their brothers, not him.
All we have disclosed in the writ petition.
Huh. No, you have disclosed 3, but you have 4 brothers.
4 brothers including me.
No. I have checked
One-
checked the cases. Raju Chaudhary, Aftaruddin, Moinuddin, and Kutubuddin.
Kutubu.
4 brothers.
Raju
That you
Chaudhary.
will
4 cases.
find- এখন আপনি DD ko, sir.
4 cases.
Moinuddin, 4 cases.
4 cases.
That we have disclosed, para 4 of our writ petition.
So this is one.
Yes.
And a limited extension of passport.
Limited, deeply. In both this aspect, my lord, I
All
shall
these
try to
aspects.
address on the next.
Try to find out. Right.
Deeply obliged.
So keeping him without passport is a danger for him also.
Yes, ma'am.
And let him come back.
Yes, ma'am.
Let him come back. Thereafter, you make a reference if you find that he is not from India.
Yes, ma'am.
But as on date, he is Indian citizen.
Yes, ma'am. That cannot be denied.
Okay. Heard Mr. M.U. Mahmood, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. B. Deka. Learned Central Government Council appearing for the respondent number 1 and 3 has sought time to obtain further information and clarification, and also notification as regards notifications as regards as to when of the Government of India as to when a report of the police authority can be considered as adverse. Post of it is submitted by Mr. Mahmood Learning Council for the petitioner that as on date, comma, no proceeding, either of civil nature or criminal nature, comma, is pending against the petitioner.
Petitioner's husband.
Petitioner's, the passport holder, that is the petitioner's husband, Nazibuddin
Nazimuddin Chaudhary.
Chaudhary, Silo, as on date. Only 4 FT cases, or only 4 cases before the Foreigners Tribunal against 4 brothers of the petitioners are pending, and no opinion stroke order has been rendered.
Opinion has been tribunal has given the opinion against 4 brothers,
Okay.
but it is in High Court now pending.
Okay.
We are on bail.
Opinion stroke orders have been rendered against the 4 brothers of the petitioner by the Foreigners Tribunal, and writ petitions against those opinion stroke orders of the Foreigners Tribunals are pending before this court as on date.
And we are on bail.
And the said writ petitions are on bail as on date. Information. Tarpichot likhibo dekha. Eto clarification. This clarification. In the aforesaid facts, in view of the above fact situation, comma, Mr. Dhaka, CGC, for 1 and 3, has sought for time to obtain further information, stroke clarification, and relevant notifications of the Government of India in the subject matter of grant stroke renewal of passport. Get the information and notification.
And I think we were to dispose of the matter on that.
I was trying today also. Place the case on Friday.
19.
The office letter dated 24/4/2026 placed by Mr. Hendrik is kept to the case record. J. Hendrik or naam likhi dibo?
1906.
1906.
1906. Item 9.
Namki Hussain Sona Khulli as per got elected.
My pleasure, Lord. Sir.
Okay.
My Lord, I am appearing on behalf of petition number 6.
6.
My Lord, I may be allowed some time to.
How
my
much
Lord.
time?
My Lord, 4 weeks, my Lord, and it's.
4 weeks.
My Lord.
Including the summer holiday. Okay. M.K. Hussain as Dr. J. Hendrik. Likha Sagar ordered. Mr. M. Islam, Learned Council has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 6. And he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 6 recently, and has thus sought for 4 weeks time
My Lord.
to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondent. The prayer is accepted. Release the case on so and so.
24 July.
Highly obliged. Your Lordship.
You said that is your case.
My lord.
That writ petition is not maintainable.
No.
In this case,
My lord.
you have said
Yeah.
earlier,
Yes.
writ petition is not maintainable.
Because this was filed under mandamus only, not co-warranto, my lord. Writ of co-warranto was not prayer in the prayer.
There is direction perhaps, seeking direction to the Deputy Commissioner to cause inquiry.
But now now the main dispute is between the private parties, man. We will just sit and see, my lord.
No, you raise the question of maintainability perhaps.
Yes, because of that order, my lord, which is lordship's order is already there, so I have not pressed on the display now.
Because that reached Supreme Court also.
Yes,
He said that.
my lord. I was not aware properly about that order.
For orders, item 10.
So more, yeah.
My lord, it has been complied, my lord. The last occasion, my lord, a direction has been made to me to seek the instruction, my lord.
Just one pair, let me confirm that from my client that he have received it or not. Just fix it on next week, Lordship.
Okay. What is the direction?
For releasing the amount, my lord.
8 lakh.
Compliance of the order dated 4526, my lord.
How much amount?
My lord, there are two amounts, my lord.
8
One
lakh
is
88,000.
and 16 lakhs 8,750.
Okay, Mr. Jaman. Get the instruction then. How much time you need?
Next week, Lordship.
Friday then.
Lordship.
Mr. M.M. Jaman, Mr. M.M. Jahan, Mr. M.M. Jaman, Learned Counsel for the petition, Mr. N. Das, Learned State Counsel. So Mr. N. Das has submitted an office letter. Number so and so, dated so and so, received by him from the O/O, the Deputy Commissioner, from the Deputy Commissioner, Kamrup Metropolitan District, wherein it is stated that amounts of rupees 8,88,750 in respect of DAG number 1086, Patra number 457, and amount of rupees, land commission amount, and rupees 16,08,750 in respect of DAG number 1090 and Patra number 457, both plots located at village Coral, have already been released in favor of MS Indu Devi and Mr. Sri Jitendranath Sharma, void sanction order number so and so dated 12/6/2026. And the said amounts have been credited in the respective bank accounts of Miss Indu Devi, Jitendranath Sharma, and Jitendranath Sharma. Indu Devi is one.
Yes.
You are concerned with Indu Devi.
No, both. Their mother and
Jitendra or Gajendra?
Jitendra.
Jitendra, Lordship.
Where is Jitendra in the list?
My lord, Indu Devi is the murder. I think it has been credited in the name of
Okay.
Indu. 16 and 8, my lord. The amounts reflects the same, my lord.
Right. But here is
Yes,
Hindu
yes,
only.
yes. But I remember the petitioner
okay.
itself is Jitendra.
In account number so and so, maintained at Gauhati branch of the ICICI Bank, Mr. Jaman has sought for time till Friday in order to complete his instructions. Raise the case accordingly on Friday.
My lord.
Item 11.
Balance.
Is IA number?
Will may please your lordships, if I may submit your lordships, I have, as of today, I have already filed the affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition in the main case. So the pleadings are to be completed as of now.
Okay.
My lords, that is not the correct position. There's an IA which was listed. I filed the IA, my lords, for vacation of stay. On the last date of hearing, my lords, after hearing on preliminary arguments, my lords had said that the entire question of maintainability will be taken up and an endeavor will be made to dispose of the matter. We are on a very short point, my lords. The case is a show cause notice was issued by me demanding an explanation. They interpreted, for whatever reason, they interpreted this as a threat to disconnect the gas supply. and therefore came before your lordships, my lords. Now there's a substantive amount of bills which remain due and payable. There was an ad interim ex parte stay which was directed by this honorable court, my lords.
Where is so good?
My lords. Page number, my lords. 72 of the writ petition, my lords.
No, who are the parties here? Let me see.
My lords.
Petitioner is what? Okay. Honorable from the Parag and Gas Company Limited. Okay. So response number one is supplier of gas.
Yes, my lords.
Okay. 70.
My lords, page number 72 is annexure 3.
This respondent number one,
Yes, my lords.
why he is concerned with reporting different figures
My lords.
by the petitioner to AGCL and Tea Board of India?
My lords, as per the billing terms, every TA state which is in industrial consumer, my lords, is supposed to, along with the meter readings and all of that, my lords, they have an obligation to report the production data. What happens is, my lords, that is how we detect whether the gas supply.
Production data is okay,
Right, my lords.
but quantity of, you are concerned with the gas supply.
My lords.
Just a minute,
Yes.
just a minute. Gas supply
Yes, my lords.
and receipt of bills,
Yes, my lords.
right?
Yes, my lords.
Receipt of bills,
Right.
first concern.
Right, my lords.
Now, any other condition is laced with that gas supply?
Yes, my lords.
What condition?
My lords, what happens is we have to reconcile the actual consumption with the gas supplied, my lords. That is how, and there is a form which there's a specific pleading to that effect as well, my lords. It's a form number, it's called RT12/ER1 form.
Where is that?
My lords, this is page number 87. It starts at page number 86, my lords, para number G.
80?
86, my lords, para G.
Page 86.
Page 86 is my affidavit in reply, my lords.
Page 86. Is it is affidavit?
My affidavit in opposition, my lords.
Opposition. You have no internal page number.
My lords,
Tell me the annexer number.
my lords, it's para number G of my affidavit in opposition, my lord. I'll read for your lordships.
So there is a meter is installed
Meters installed, my lords.
and metering is done.
Yes, my lords.
Gas supply are recorded.
Correct, my lords.
And they are required to furnish
The tea production data thereafter. my
tea
lords.
production data submitted to Tea Board of India.
Yes, my lords.
Just just a minute, then you make.
There are two methods of calculation here.
So therefore, my
Anyhow,
yes, my lords.
you are concerned with Tea Board of India figure.
No, my lords, what happens is this automatically triggers a site inspection. I go on the site, my lords, where I discover, and I've come on affidavit to say this, my lords, along with
No,
photographs.
we are
and all.
concerned with the impugn notice.
Yes, my lords. So
There you have quoted two figures submitted by the petitioner with AGCL
right, my lords.
and Tea Board of India.
Yes, my lords.
And as per the paragraph Z, where you have taken me, you are concerned with Tea Board of India
My lords,
figure.
the same form has to be submitted to me as well, my lords.
Not the same form, your lordship, same figure.
No,
Same
Mr.
figure.
Assam Gas Company
Yes, my lords.
Limited. You are not a regulatory body for him,
No, my lords, I'm not.
right?
No, my lords.
That you exercise statutory control over him. You
Yes.
are concerned with the figures,
Yes, my lords.
right?
Yes, my lords.
Where is the authority for giving you this kind of
My lords,
demand notice?
it's a, firstly, my lords, it's a
Where is, because you are entering into a private contract.
it is a private contract, my lords.
Private contract.
Yes, my lords.
Right. So if it is a private contract,
Yes,
but you are an instrumentality of the state,
Yes, my lords.
Article 12.
Yes, my lords. I very much
Now,
am.
you are concerned as per your agreement, it is Tea Board of India figure.
No, my lords. There's a confusion here. What I will clarify, my lords. Along with the Tea Board of India figures, my lords, they are under a contractual obligation to also forward me the same data they submit to the Tea Board. In addition to that, my lords, every month there's a meter reading.
Huh.
Every month they are also supposed to submit the same thing that they have reported in compliance of the tea regulations, my lords, the production data before the Tea Board.
Right, right.
Yes, my
I have
lords.
understood.
Yes, my lords.
The Tea Board of India,
I'm not
trying to repeat it.
Yes, yes, my lords.
So Tea Board of India figure you are concerned with.
Yeah, yes, my lords.
Right.
Amongst
As per clause Z
Right, my lords.
and plus meter reading.
Right, my lords.
Right.
Right, my lords.
Now the notice, impugn notice as page 72. They have given some figures, lower figures to
Yes, ma'am.
AGCL,
Yes, my lords.
right? But higher figures to Tea Board of India.
Right, my lords.
And your metering is to be done with your install metering plus Tea Board of India figures.
And also, my lords, at what
And you are not there to punish him
I'm not.
for reporting different figures to AGCL.
My lords, there is also the gas regulations, my lords, which I'll
No, let us see the contents now, page 72.
correct.
Please read.
My lords, para number G, I'll read.
No, page 72.
Page 72.
Your lordships, if in order to just clarify anything, your lordship, page 45 of the petition may be just seen once, your lordship. Page 45 of the petition, the point 10.08, your lordship. The figures are only necessary when the meter is in temporary absence of the meter, because there are two methods of calculation. SCUM divided by kg. They can only use the figures when the meter is absent, your lordship. If not, the figures are of no material to them.
Which one?
Page 45, the 10.08, the paragraph. If not, the meter reading prevails. This is a demand notice, your lordship.
Which page number?
Page 45.
Page 45.
Page 45. Not your page.
Got it.
In case of absence of meter.
In case of absence of meter, only in case of absence of meter, they can use the kgs. If not, there is no requirement for me. They have no requirement of the kgs. There was a clerical error. This is on paper. I have put it, your lordship, that there was a clerical error while reporting. But until and unless there is an absence of meter, that's the calculation is to be done by meter. That is the metering. There is a point called metering, your lordship, in page 44. In order to determine the quantities of gas sold and delivered to the consumer, AGCL shall install an atmospheric pressure compensated turbine meter or any other gas. This is a compulsory thing. In absence of that, only they can go into this.
My lords, I'm
No,
grateful.
no, page 72, please.
Yes, my
I'm
lords.
trying to
I'll-
understand,
Yes,
please.
page number 72, my lords. It is revealed to us with credible information that your company, as reported to AGCL, has a substantial lower figure of tea produced in your tea factory for the period of May 22 to December 22 in comparison to your tea production reported to the Tea Board of India for the same month. Please find below the comparative figures of tea production in your tea factory as reported to AGCL and the Tea Board of India. And there's a discrepancy of 5,92,321 kilograms. In view of the above, this calls for an explanation the call for explanation is issued to you, demanding a detailed explanation to your satisfaction on the reason, circumstances for non-reporting of 5,92,321 kgs of tea production to AGCL within 3 days of the receipt of this letter. On expiry of the 3 days or written submission from our side regarding satisfactory explanation against your received explanation as called herein, if submitted to the differential reporting of tea made data as aforesaid, whichever is earlier. This call for explanation shall henceforth become operative demand notice for payment of 76,85,686 rupees only as additional gas consumption bill for the differential non-reported tea volume within 7 days of becoming so operative. My lords, this demand notice, like my friend just rightly pointed out, my lords, para number 10.8, but same contract. I'm not 10.7, just the clause above.
No, you read clause G. According to you, that billing are to be made as per install meter or
my lords, my pleading was not complete. My lords may come to page number 44. I'll show my lords. My friend here referred to the contract in 10.08. The same contract I'm relying upon, my lords. This is page number 44, 10.07. At the bottom of the page, my lords. My lords have it? Shall I read, my lords?
Yes.
10.07, the consumer shall pay to AGCL for such quantities of gas as are metered, measured and recorded by or through the said meters. The consumer shall maintain meter reading. The consumer shall maintain meter readings in the monthly gas consumption sheet. And on the first day of the subsequent month, the sheet shall be collected by AGCL. The consumer shall be duty bound to provide the copy of the RT12ER1, the same form which I referred to, my lords. Tea production record with the gas consumption sheet. And all I'm asking, my lords, here in the by way of the impugn notice is the data reported by you mismatches. Please tell
No,
me.
here it is AGCL. And you have taken me somewhere to where Tea Board of India.
No, my lords, this is my contract, which has been signed between me and the petitioner.
Where is the Tea Board of India thing? You said G something?
G, yeah, para number, yes, my lords. I was pointing towards my pleadings, my lord, to offer an explanation as to what has happened.
Now here, that is, I missed it, page 87.
My lords, so
You
it
said
starts.
Tea Board of India.
My lords, I agree. What?
No, 10.07
Yes, my lords.
is specific to AGCL.
Yes, my lords.
Right.
Indeed, your lordship.
10.07.
Indeed, your lordship. Page 44.
Page 44.
My lords.
Is it not?
Yes, my lords.
And what is this RT12 ER?
The RT12, that is the same production data which they have. That is the form in which they have to report the production data to Tea Board. So in my contract, I am putting a contractual obligation on them that not only do you have to give me the monthly consumption data, whether metered or not, that's a different story. We'll come to that, my lords. That's a question of fact. In addition to the meter data, monthly consumption that you have made, you will also provide me the same production data that you have filed before the Tea Board of India.
Which one is that? T board of.
10.07, the form RT 12 ER1 is the
That is T board of.
T board of.
There is no form in RT 12 or ER1 in T Board of India. Your Lordship, there's a form E. This is a form specific to their KGCS.
That I don't know. You don't know.
This is what I'm saying.
My lords,
That's what we submitted.
my lords, the only thing we are concerned with today is whether I have a right to issue a show cause notice. I've not issued a disconnection notice.
Your Lordship,
I'm only asking for an explanation. Why is
Your
there a
Lordship, when
mismatch
it
of data?
converts into
The question is also at the same time you
when
have
it converts into a demand notice, it becomes
demand notice
punitive.
also.
It becomes a punitive in nature, Your Lordship. It becomes punitive in nature, and I have
So
to see.
demand notice also 76 lakh something.
Indeed, Your Lordship. And where is that figure? That figure.
And you only call for an explanation.
I'm only calling for an
No,
explanation.
it becomes a demand notice, Your Lordship. It becomes a demand notice. How can it become a demand notice if it's only an explanation? It cannot become a demand notice. Your Lordship, let me submit, Your Lordship, since his submission is done. Your Lordship, he cannot, the respondents cannot say that we have not submitted their required RT1 or whatever the form is, Your Lordship. We have submitted. The figures were mismatching due to a clerical error. That we have submitted, that we have put it on paper. The figures were mismatching. They can only use that figures to calculate the amount of gas we have used or consumed in the absence of a meter. In this case, absence of the meter was not the case. There was proper billing. The bills have been paid. The bills have been properly channelized and paid. Where does this amount come from? This amount that is in 72, the amount that they have gotten, Your Lordship, that amount is they're asking for us excess consumption. When a meter is placed, you have already marked the meter. In absence of a meter, only you can use that method, come by kg method. It is clear, Your Lordship. 10.8 that I have made, Your Lordship.
This
My lords, he is disputing facts. This is a question of trial then, my lords.
Your Lordship, if this is a question of trial, then how can you convert it into a punitive notion? Your Lordship?
Where have I converted into unit?
Demand notice is a punitive notice. It is automatically converted. What is this automatically converted into a demand notice? How can you convert a thing into an automatic demand notice? That is punitive. There is predetermination of guilt here. You have already predetermined that guilt. You have not even called for an explanation properly then, Your Lordship. And subsequently, we have also explained to them. They have not withdrawn the notice even after the explanation has been submitted. Your Lordship, I have submitted the explanation in Annexure 475. I have also submitted an explanation in 75A. And I have also submitted an explanation in 76 page number. They have not withdrawn the notice after that. They have still carried on with the notice. The notice is still applicable. If that was the case, then withdraw the notice after the explanation. Determine it and withdraw the notice. And Your Lordship, there was a submission of photograph. Your Lordship, there was no inspection in our place. The photographs are not in our place. There is no geo coordinates of that place, nor is a time and date set in that place. That is the onus of the, if it's a matter of trial, then that's the onus of the respondents to show whether that place is ours or not.
so you have calculated a figure also.
My lords, we have calculated a figure based on the production data. There's also another question, my lords. Today, we are before your lordships, my lords, for on an application which has been filed by me for vacation of stay. An ad interim ex parte stay was granted to the petitioner, my lords, with a with a condition that there will be an interim payment of 25 lakhs, which will be deposited, and the account shall remain current, my lords. Today, my lords, they can dispute it as much as they want to. Today, according to me, there's an outstanding demand of 1.31 crores, my lords, as on date.
That we can dispute. Your Lordship.
Disputed as a
That is a question of fact again. That is and this is not the subject matter of
my
this
lord,
petition.
Mr. So far as those things are concerned,
yes, my lords.
that will be subject to dispute resolution process.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
But so far as notice is concerned, you have first said that why there is a difference,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Then you have also said that consequence if no written explanation within 3 days,
No,
right? Or unsatisfactory explanation,
Yes, my lords.
this will be the amount.
Contingent to that, yes, my lords.
Or contingent to that, but that incorporates something.
I agree, my lords. I concede to that.
Right?
Yes.
Then
Yes,
this
yes.
should be, this should not stand.
Indeed, your lordship.
Now,
And liberty is to you
right, my lords.
to issue a show cause notice fresh. It should be show cause.
Yes, my lords.
Then after that, you have to arrive at a decision that for this reason, these are not found satisfactory.
Yes, my lords.
Or since you have not replied, so these
My
are the
lords, here what
things.
is-
But here you have proceeded to one step ahead.
My lords, what has happened here is, my lords, they have replied to my show cause notice. That reply has come on record as well before your lordships as well, my lords. Thereafter, they secured a stay. My lords, my hands are tied.
Right, that's I know. So that is how you should have said that I am withdrawing this.
Your lordship.
Leave me granted to me to withdraw this notice.
My lords, just one.
You could have come
one last.
when since when it is pending. The first day you could have come.
2023, your lordship.
My lords, we
Then
also
the
have-
interim order would have gone.
My lords, we also have a situation where we are also trying to retain our clients, my lords. What has happened is after their interim payments have been made, we were also trying to see whether the matter can be settled or not. And now they have successive concurrently defaulted, my lords. I mean, they're continuing to consume gas but not pay.
Your lordship, it was subject to payment of cost. We had paid the cost also, your
Now-
lordship. And that amount that was.
Let us set aside this
There is
order,
one last submission of mine, my lords.
set aside this order and liberty to them.
But those-
Interim order stands recalled.
My lords. Agreed.
Set aside.
Proceed afresh.
Yes, my lords.
Much obliged. your
Yes,
lordship.
much obliged.
Right now itself, your lordship.
Sure, my lords.
Where is that? Do you have the decision, show cause notice, which a predetermined?
Your lordship, I have that judgment, your lordship. I have not taken out the judgment, your lordship. I can.
There are many judgments,
We have
but
multiple-
there
that
is.
that is what my submission.
My lords, the
was.
judgment if it's coming from the bench, my lords, I'll rely upon the judgment, my lords. The show cause.
That I got sent and kept.
So far, there are many Mascot and Puniseti all are there, but there is another decision where they with a predetermined mind, your show cause notice is.
No,
it should be.
my lords, there are.
But I grant liberty to
Yes,
you
lords, yes.
to issue a show cause notice afresh.
Indeed, your lord. That can even.
And because this, everything is stalled because of this interim order also.
Yes, yes, my lords.
Otherwise, you go to
There is no.
invoke clause that clause.
My lords, in fact, just my last submission is there is also a gas regulation of 2010 which puts now that's a gas regulatory body, my
No,
lords.
we are only confined to show cause notice.
My lords, I am under the regulations. I am duty bound to issue them a show cause notice.
Your
Right.
lordship, but there is no proper
No.
redressal mechanism.
Show cause notice is okay,
Yes, my lords.
but going one step ahead with the show cause notice that
Another copy.
3 days time, 3 days time,
My lords.
3 days time, respond,
Yes.
or if you respond unsatisfactory, you are laden with this much of.
But my lords, in view of the reply which came to me after 30 days of me issuing the show cause notice,
3 days after receipt, your lordship.
Puniseti, I understand, but
no,
going
I
beyond
can
Puniseti.
I
Your lordship. That is again disputation of facts here.
I'm not contesting you, yeah.
Puniseti is okay,
Yes, sir.
but going beyond Puniseti.
Yes, yes, yes.
But
Yes.
this notice appears to be going beyond Puniseti,
Yes.
right?
So it was, your lordship, our prayer was to set aside the notice. That is all we required, your lordship. And if
But at the same time, liberty.
your lordship liberty.
Grateful, my
Your
lords.
lordship, we are ready to face that. If there is a proper redressal mechanism, we shall follow that redressal mechanism, your lordship. That is all our submission.
So we are considering the writ petition.
Yes, ma'am.
Indeed, your lordship.
In fact, I'm still trying to retain him as my client, my lords.
All right.
Your lordship, we have nowhere else to go either. We have to.
No, Reliance is very much.
I know that the Assam Gas
That has-
Company is in a dominant position.
Your lordship, that is all.
For supply of gas, they can ration the supply, that I also know.
Your lordship, there is no, nowadays hybrid is also not allowed, your lordship. The coal and gas hybrid is also not allowed. The tea board has barred that because of quality of tea, your lordship. So we are bound to go and beg before them to release our gas, your lordship. But your lordship, if it is possible, your lordship, if a prayer can be made, your lordship, that Until and unless that matter is determined, your lordship, there is the disconnection of gas, your lordship. That cannot be done, your lordship. That they have paid for the last 2 years, just 4 months by default. The amount is not a lot only.
They have to open up after. So after the commencement, they have to open.
Yeah.
What happens is.
Season comes, so they have a lot of market and we start the market also.
Good. The other factors also.
Because of fraudulent activity that has been done to them, they are stuck in a very big.
It is on.
McKinsey has. It's orchestrated. Yes.
Both of you are outstation lawyer.
Yeah, your lordship, I'm from here, your lordship, AM Borua, your lordship.
My lords, it's been a decade now, bag and baggage. Pretty much in Gauhati, my lords.
You are also.
Yes.
Then we'll pass in the order the day after tomorrow.
Well, it's much of like.
Because it will be very tedious for us.
As per your lordship.
But that will not stand, but because of the, let me see the judgment in CMNs.
Protection may be given, your lordship, until the final outcome of the thing. Connection of gas may not.
So once a writ petition is disposed, the interim order cannot be
Indeed,
extended.
your lordship, indeed.
But if they come up with some harsh action,
Then
option is always
that
available to
will be
him.
granted, that will be always.
Mr. Kandelia, I also thought that I'll dispose of your company petition. Your company petition, right? Supposed to be disposed of sometime, but in view of the provisions in the Companies Act under the proviso to 5, maybe subject to your submission.
Whether your lordship would like to transfer
Some other day then.
28th of July is convenient, my lord.
No, we'll not keep this pending.
Okay, sorry. Yes, ask me to pray before.
Okay, let me find out this one. Please be there.
If I may be permanent, your lordship, I've just gotten the judgments with me in the thing. I'll print it out and I'll.
No, I have. When a show cause notice is issued with premeditation,
Premediation.
a writ petition will be maintainable. And authority already forming an opinion regarding the liability of the appellant.
Indeed, your lordship.
My lords.
That your liability 76 lakh.
My lords, I'm the officer of the court first, my lords, I'll concede.
Okay, we'll dispose of
Much
day after tomorrow.
Much obliged.
Yes.
I heard Mr.
AM Borua.
for the petitioner and Mr. K. Khanna, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1.
All response, my lords.
All the respondents first of,
Oh, sorry, 1, 2, and 3, my lords.
and Mr. H. K. Hazarika
1, 2, and 3.
for respondent number 4. Release the case again on Thursday for further hearing.
Grateful, my lords.
It will be CMN's Limited.
Your lordship.
My lords.
CMN's Limited versus State of Maharashtra.
Indeed. Same as.
Find out
Yes, my lords.
if you can distinguish the ratio.
Indeed. Much obliged.
Yes, Mr. Kandelia. Oh, Mr. Hussein is there. Okay, let me. Item number 12. Interim order passed earlier, shall we continue? Yes, what is the case about?
That is similar matter, Panchayat, but in this matter, no Kalatna.
Parties have appeared.
Parties have not appeared. But postal consignment report indicates that notice is.
Let it be placed before Lajima Court. I don't discuss all this. All right, Mr. M.K. Hussain.
Yes.
Ms. P. Thapa on behalf of S. Doctor. 1, 3, 4, and 5. Mr. H.K. Hazarika. 2. Yes.
Lordship, I am alum for 6, Lordship.
Okay, done. Mr. M. Alam, learned counsel for the
Yes, file 2.
response number 6 has entered, has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 6. To stop. The service of notice upon all the respondents is complete. To stop. The respondents. Respondent authorities in the Panchayat and Rural Development Department and the respondent number 6. All the respondents have ensured that their counter affidavits are filed. So and so. How much time you need, madam? 4 weeks time. You are not filing? Not filing? Okay. Miss Thapa, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5 has submitted, on instruction, no counter affidavit will be filed on behalf of the said respondents. Yes. Mr. Alam.
Lordship, we are yet to receive instructions from the client.
So how much time you need?
Lordship, 4 weeks.
Okay.
Same date may be given, earlier petition.
Which date?
24/7.
Okay, Mr. Alam. The counsel for the respondent number 6 has sought for and is granted 4 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondent. List the case on 24/7. Yes.
Lordship, our limited contention will be there. We have filed a petition IA in 2021. We have taken a lot of ground that the company petition is not maintainable. After
That is going to merit again. Now, question is, just I am asking you,
Lordship.
the question I am asking you, after initially there was something, but after the
provision, fifth provision,
incorporation of
fifth provision.
proviso 5th,
Correct.
with the judgment of Caledonia,
Lordship, there is a judgment which says that if the proceeding is not maintainable, then it should not be transferred. That issue was not dealt with perhaps in the judgment raised
proceeding for on what ground it is not.
Lordship, because
what is the decision? Give me.
Lordship, because we were to start in our IA. The IA, because there are order of this honorable court that since both the IA are contested matters and both will be taken up simultaneously.
The question is discretion of the court. So that you may press for simultaneous consideration.
That is
why
what,
should
that
if the
has
fifth
been allowed.
proviso Caledonia
that has been
is
allowed.
binding on us, and there, if any party, that party was different in Caledonia.
Correct.
But still he was a party, he was held to be a party.
Lordship,
But here, the IA has been filed by a party who is directly involved in the company petition. He himself is the company petition. Then, question of maintainability can be gone into there. But why should we keep this?
Lordship, the issue, they could have asked for transfer in the year 2016 itself. They waited for 7 years.
Wisdom prevailed when
Lordship,
Caledonia
when-
judgment came.
When the
Lordship,
issue of
that
maintainability came before
was
this.
inserted in 2018.
Lordship, thereafter also 4 years. Lordship,
Anyway.
when for the first time maintainability
Then 2
issue
years,
was
then
raised.
lockdown, your Lordship.
Lordship, we will try to demonstrate that the company petition itself is not maintainable.
There is a specialized tribunal. There is a special tribunal for handle this matter.
Lordship, correct. But
Regarding
there are
maintainability?
because proceeding under IBC, certain benefits which accrue to us under the winding up proceeding will be taken away.
The discretion is ours.
Correctly. Lordship may allow us at least to present our case. It's
Tuesday case. Tuesday case later দিল না? এটা দিয়ে দিও। Tuesday. If requires more time, we'll postpone to
coming Tuesday,
after.
Lordship.
We'll see. If you complicate the matter, we'll defer. If you
20
are not able to complicate the matter, we'll dispose.
Lordship will only
Because Mr. Khandelia, I am also not very conversant with company matter. So if you complicate the matter, we'll defer.
we will try
And if
to,
you simplify the matter,
we will simplify it. We will simplify it.
right? And I'm going to lick you.
Can it be
Raise the
25?
case.
25 last working days.
Read it.
26 like last working day.
No, we are not going to. We are ready to do it on 18th also. We'll make an attempt because last week will be very difficult.
Day after tomorrow. Lordship is 23rd. Let it be on 23rd.
No, we'll go to that 18th.
18, I have some other matter fixed, Lordship. If it
Second
can-
half, you come in second half. Coming second half, we'll wait for you. If you are able to complicate the matter, we'll defer the matter. If you simplify the matter, we'll dispose of the matter.
simplify, we will try to simplify.
Now we are like, please.
18.
We'll not say that we'll dispose of. We'll hear you out.
Much.
Because on the last day, we have heard them. It was third again, no?
Right.
Okay, then 23rd.
23rd, since my senior is also not there, Lordship, on that day, lots of cases are there. It will be
Lordship, we
difficult
will
to-
be replying.
Only thing, court is prime facie satisfied with your submission, right?
Yes.
It is Mr. Khandelia's time to satisfy the court.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, Supreme Court decision is clear, which Mr. Chopra
Chopra.
has submitted. So let me hear Mr. Khandelia. If he is able to satisfy me prima facie that this should be decided, we'll then defer the matter. But if he fails,
Lordship.
Because as Mr. Khandelia recently said that that particular notification were since 2016, but I had to make a clarification. No, that came in 2018. So that was.
okay, 23rd.
Much obliged.